will the people of Jammu and Kashmir located between India and Pakistan still have the opportunity to decide their future, whether to form an independent state or to merge with India or Pakistan? Is that possible?
We are absolutely ready. Under the auspices of United Nations, as per the UN Security Council resolutions, the Kashmiri people should be given the right to decide. It is them who have this basic right, and it must be exercised as soon as possible, because as per media reports, a lot of demographic changes are taking place in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. So unless sooner the better, but we are okay with any outcome. There's no problem at all. Obviously, it is their right to decide whether they want independent, they want to go with India, they want to come with Pakistan. We have no issue at all. We are stuck with the core decision of the UN Security Council, which remains unimplemented for the last over 7 decades.